Hello and welcome to this channel. For you to make this amazing sweet syrup, you will need dates. You just need a lot of dates to do this. The first thing you will have to do is to soak the date overnight for it to dissolve. Take out the seed. Take out the seed and then you blend to a fine paste, just like demonstrated in the video. I really want to say something here. You know, when you did sieve the first time, please make sure you sieve again until the chaff is no longer sweet. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more.